Hello, good morning, or good day, good evening. Uh, Today's video, we are heading down to the river, doing some cooking. Uh, and my friends, they told me we're gonna go to the river and cook some chicken. Not some, but only one. So I've decided we prep the chicken up, cut the chicken, everything. We doing it the way it should be. And we pack it in the box, and they took it and they went ahead of me. So they told me to get the knife, so I get this small knife. It's a big one, but it got broken by some careless boys. Anyways, yes, we're heading to the river now, and stay with me and see our river. I'm gonna show you my river, our river that we used to swim around. Yep. Anyways. There's people swimming in the river. Cooking. I see. Yeah. Okay, first of all, you have to get the fire started by simply putting the fire, you know. So after you prepare the fire like this, let the fire to go down, then you cut the sticks, put the chicken inside, grill it. This is the island way. Set. Okay, first of all, get a small oil like this. Get the leaf from here. Yes. The first thing that we do is to get the chicken marinated, and we did the chicken marinated, and we brought them down to the river, and this is it. The other side of the chicken is already been cooked, and we turn it around, and the other side yet to be cooked. So we just give him like 15 or 20 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it over to another side just for like 5 minutes, and then flip it again to another 5 minutes, and then it's gonna be prepared. And we're gonna eat it with rice. Okay, after I did the chicken and everything, you know, as an adventurer, you need to go around and, you know, observe some places. Arya, come back. No way. Guys, here in Fiji, if you trespass someone's property, not the Fijians but the Indian, they are not like the Fijians. You're gonna get killed. They're gonna shoot you with the gun. You're trespassing. Yeah, so we have to go back. Otherwise, we're gonna get the bullet. Shit. Mga can this dog. You have to look for some big fish. Don't go to the river. See? Hui! Okay. Gore. Let's try. This knife can catch that. Oh, son of a bitch, motherfucker. Hey, sorry. Let's see if we catch anything. Still have cutting in. Yeah, it's Mama. Hey, Mama. Say hello to my subscribers. Mama. Yeah, so after we cook the chicken, we have to get the banana leaves, and this is what we do. Cut the banana leaf like this, and we're gonna bring it down to where the chicken is. We're gonna put the chicken on top, cut that thing up, sear it equally in force, and we're gonna hit it. Yeah, but okay. Guys, I want to say thank you very much. Thank you very much. The mission for today is done. We had the chicken cooked, and my friends are swimming in the river, and I decided to go adventure a little bit into the private property of an Indian guy. It's just up there. And my dog, I think the dog saw a man walking by the fence side coming up that way, and I was walking down that way, and she was scared and she ran straight towards me. And I was scared too, because those Indians, they don't give up. When you walk on their property, if they have the gun, they're gonna damage you. Anyways, this is it. This is the video for today. Well, thank you very much, and welcome to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and help me. Follow me for my adventures. I just love adventure. And here's Sambeto River. If you're staying in Fiji and you wanna come over, this is Sambeto River. So nice, so cold, so freshy. Yeah, a lot of tilapia too. You can bring your whatever instrument of fishing and come and enjoy yourself. Pinaka, stay blessed. God bless. One love.